What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Total Bravo back again with another video. So doing a double upload today. So I just did the video of the Kirby Allison shoe restoration on a pair of Allen Edmonds from eBay for $50. So make sure you check it out. So today we're unboxing a brand new pair of shoes. So shout out to Zappos for the deal on these shoes. So let's see them here. Voila. And yes, they're Allen Edmonds. So I'm looking to upgrade to Allen Edmonds because I just think they're better for wearing. They're versatile and they're recraftable. So if you wear your shoes over time and you decide to get them restored and repaired, you're more than welcome to do it, because Allen Edmonds has a restoration program, and so does Kirby Allison, which I did to the $50 eBay shoes that I got. So if you're wondering what silhouette do I have of the Allen Edmonds, well, voila, this is the Park Avenue Allen Edmonds Capital Oxfords. You see the capital here, and you can see the finish is pretty dope. So I will be buying the Sapphire shoe polishes, the Sapphire Reno Matte, the Sapphire Renovator, Sapphire Pomodoro cream polish, the Sapphire Pad Deluxe polish, and I will look no further than Kirby Allison, hangerproject.com. So if you're wondering where to get these Sapphire cream polishes and wax polishes, etc., well, go to hangerproject.com and buy pretty much the whole kit. So it comes with the standard leather, single oak leather sole with the rubber heel tab. Obviously it's not real heel tab, is not real leather, it's some particle leather. God knows how they do it. So anyway, comes with standard shoelaces from Allen Edmonds. So later on, if I do go through the Kirby Allison shoe restoration program, these will get the better treatment with the JR Oak Bar 10 leather outsoles, like my $50 eBay shoes. The real leather heel tab. The better looking leather with the Sapphire treatment. So Allen Edmonds typical leather insole, which is not removable. Here, closely, and it's a size 8.5B. So these do go true to size. So, but if you have wider feet, you can always go with wider width. So what do you guys think? There's a few people that think that these are stiff. So, but you know, to each his own. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Are these worth the investment? So on Zappos, I got these for $276 if I'm not mistaken, and these retail for $395. So you'll be the judge. Make sure you keep buying on Zappos, and do get rewards for every dollar you spend. So I use my rewards on these and got them for a steal. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share these videos with your friends, and what good is it if you have all of these Jordans in your collection, and whenever you dress well and you don't have a decent pair of shoes like these, then something is wrong there. So I'd say spend the extra dollars on a good pair of shoes like these from Edmonds. These are versatile. They do match up with jeans. They do match up with casual pants. They do match up with dress slacks. So go for it, man. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Deuces.